Welcome back to day 3. In this video I'm going to talking about graphic designing, budget setup and defining your audience. Right, so let's get started. So first of all, let's create our first graphic or ad creative for selling home. Right, so for this you have to use a Canva tool which is available for free and paid also. Here you can use lot of templates to create your ad, and without any kind of professional software knowledge you can create your creative and any kind of graphic that you need for your real estate business, right? So this you may find this link above or anywhere in the description, so you can create from this, right? So as you can see here, there is a lot of template available to edit. So now we are going to create a Facebook ad, right? For this just click here, as you can see here, Facebook ads, or search here Facebook ad, right? You don't have to worry about any kind of size, just click and you will get a perfect size for Facebook ad. Okay, if you have any kind of question you can ask me, right? So there is a lot of template available you can use from here, right? So I'm going to create ad for selling, right? So what I'm going to go in photo section and then search for real estate, and I'm just creating a simple creative. I'm just creating a simple ad for my real estate business, right? But if you want a very professional thing for your real estate business, you are looking for a very in-depth and professional designing, then I will recommend you that hire somebody, right? So he can work for you, or you can hire graphic designer on Fiverr or Upwork in freelancing website, and he will work for you for creating a graphics for your ad, right? So for now I'm just speed up the designing so you can enjoy the designing, or you will understand all this stuff. So start it. So now we have successfully ever created a graphic for our ad, and you can use this graphic for selling home. Now it's time to download this graphic and use on our ad. So click on publish and select a PNG type and just click on download and download preparing your design. So this is how you have successfully you can create a ad for your real estate business, right? This is just an example. Without any kind of superior knowledge, you can use this tool to edit, right? So let's go to the home, or let's create a logo for our page, right? So let's click on logo, search, and you can create logo also. Just click on, just take a blank first, right? Then let's create a Facebook cover for our page, right? So just search on Facebook page and just click on Facebook cover. So these three graphic we are going to use for our page, and right, so let's do it. Thank you so much for being patient. So make sure you follow me step by step if you are creating this type of graphics. Okay, so I can use a template. So let's search here real estate, and let's see does there any kind of available templates predefined. You can use template, or if you want a very professional logo, then you can hire any kind of graphic designer, right? So just click here and your template is ready to edit, and you can edit this template. So let's edit this template. Now we have successfully created our logo. Now it's time to download this logo, and we can use this logo on our page. Just download it. Okay, it's time to create a Facebook cover for our page. So just go to the photo and just search home, and let's find which image we can use for our logo. So there is a lot of good images you can use, so I like this one, so let's try this. So for this, go to the element. I need to set up this complete in that particular size, right? So let's do it. Just go to the grinds and select this square one and just paste it here, and successfully you have created your Facebook cover. That's it, so easy, right? You can follow me step by step and download this and store it into your computer. Okay, now we have created three graphics. Number one for our ad, number two is for the logo, and number three is a creative. Now it's time to upload this. Go to the your page section, right? And it's time to upload logo and cover photo. Just go to your page, just click on your logo and then click on upload photo, right? So here you can add your logo. So I have just uploaded profile picture and just crop very well and set up, and now saving this profile photo for my page, right? So we will next we will upload a cover photo also, right? Our profile picture is now saved. Okay, now it's time to add a cover. Just click on add cover and upload photo and video. You can also add video here if you have a video, or you can also add gifs here, right? So let's upload it. As you can see here, we have just uploaded our logo and cover photo also. Now it's look very nice and perfect, isn't it? So you can also make your page so beautiful using some graphics, right? So make sure you use this tool to create your graphics, right? Now we have created our ad creative, and also two more we have just created, right? Logo and cover. Now let's set budget for your real estate marketing. It's time to set up your budget for marketing campaign for Facebook and all that. I have two ways or strategy to set up. Number one is 10% of your commission income. Suppose your commission is on $100,000 is $10,000, right? This is your commission, and $1,000 would be your ad budget, right? For per month. Let me type it here for per month. I will you can go like this, 10% of your commission of income, right? So you can do this if your commission is $10,000, right? If now second way you can use is that you can ask to the client or developer for giving you a marketing budget if possible. If he is ready to give you marketing budget, dedicated marketing budget, without cutting from your commission, you can get from client your marketing budget, right? So in this two way you can set up your marketing budget. So what I will recommend you is that you must have a minimum $1,000 to $10,000 per month marketing budget, right? It is very important because and I will also tell you ahead how you can utilize this budget on whole month, right? So I will recommend you that having a $1,000 from $10,000 per month, that's enough for running ad for at initial level, right? One more important thing don't forget is taxes to add in your budget. Yes, you have to think about your taxes in your country according to your country, so make sure you add in your budget, right?
Now it's time to define our audience. For this I have created sheet spreadsheet for you. You can download this sheet, and we have to use this sheet while creating our ad for real estate business, right? So for now I will show you how I created this sheet and how you can use this sheet, right? For now just download it, that's it. So you have to go to your dashboard, ad manager dashboard, and then click on ad manager. Here I will show you. Okay, now go to your ads manager, then click here, and then in plan section here you can see audience insights. Just click over there. So this is a audience insight which is provided by Facebook for marketers who want to targeting audience. This is a tool, right, for researching our audience for any kind of business. So now you have to select everyone on Facebook, and then you have to select your location. For now I am going to select all United States, right? And then come to the here interest section and just type here real estate. Okay, so as you type here real estate, you will see that in United States there is a 70 to 80 million people who are interested in real estate industry, right? And from demographic you can see that the age group of 25 to almost 54, there are most of audience from this age group, right? So now what you have understand that in United States people from 25 to 54 are in real estate. So what we can do, you have to go here and you have to type your age group, and gender is doesn't matter for targeting in real estate industry, so I have wrote here doesn't matter, right? So now what you have to do, you can see this data, and if you want to understand this data you can understand, but for targeting you don't have to any kind of use here. So now you have to go in page likes. When you go in page likes, you will see lot of pages, similar pages, and most of pages are liked by in this industry. That means 70 to 80 million people, right? In those people 1.9 million people like this page, right? And if you scroll down you can see that 4.3 million people like this page, but you have to look at the affinity score. The more is affinity score, the more is people likely to like these pages. So what actually use of liking these pages? The use of liking these pages is that you can target this page, That means if someone is interested in this Lowe's home improvement, then you can target this page. That means this page, the people who like this page, that means they are interested in real estate. That's it, simple as simple. For this I have listed all possible pages and their sizes. That all stuff I have write it down here which is available, right? I will show you later how you can use this audience inside, but for now you can see how I research audience using this tool. Then what you can do, you can just search and Grant Cardone, any kind of influencer. Okay, Grant Cardone. Let me copy this and let's see we can target or not. Okay, so as you can see here, we can target Lowe's home improvement and Grant Cardone. Both this is a influencer and this is a page. You can target this both option also. For now you can came here and just write here. That's it. In size influencer, and I have already created, right? You can see. You can download this and don't worry about this all that stuff. So I have to save your time for this. So just download it. And one thing I would like to tell you, download RSS search whenever I provide. In any kind of day I have provided anything, please download this and store and use this. So thank you so much. See you in day 4.